I cannot hear the audio. I don't know if we should do chapter 1 or chapter 2, but I think I'm going to do chapter 1 for good old times, since it's been a long while. Do I want to play with it? Nah, we're not gonna play with another player. We're gonna go by ourselves. Let's go. I hope I don't get any lag from doing this. Okay, here we go. Let's go. Here's your warning, guys. If you guys don't know, this is called the Asylum. It is a game on Roblox, a horror game, and this is basically what I started my channel off with. Pretty cool, isn't it? Although I wasn't using like this recorder at the time, I was using this one, so that kind of sucked. You're an explorer here to explore the Asylum. Never mind. This is important. Read it. Missing person. Background information. Jana, a citizen from the UK, came here to take refuge after World War II. She stayed in room 13. Last seen 14th. No, just read 14th. Just go ahead and read that, guys. Oh, here's couch. I love couch. Okay, so I can't open it there. It's been a long while since I've played this game, so I think I can open the door that is over here. Start here. I should turn on every time light. Switch. Okay, I think I gotta go back here, maybe? Yeah. Oh, hey! It didn't fall. Okay, I should probably stop moving. Oh yeah, I went up the stairs. Hey. Oh yeah, it's blurred. Let me go in here. Da, 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 da. We got some lights. If you're wondering, I don't know if there's anything back here. Oh, there is. Oh man, I wish I could jump. As you can see, here's the outside. I could just break through this window. I wish I could actually. Water. I forget which door it was. Was it this one? Yeah. And then there's some random door that doesn't open. I don't know where it is. So we already opened that. And here we go. Oh man, I missed it. As you can see, we cannot open this door. Here we go. Ah! Oh, it still got me. Let's go. Where do I have to go again? Oh, what's that? Doing. Oh no, now I'm stuck. Oh no, I'm not. My dog is on my shoulder. I think we gotta go to the side here. Straight. Can't see anything. Hey, more blood. Ah. Sadly, we can't go in here. We can go in here, but if I'm correct, that's the only thing. There's not really anything in here. 14, there's nothing, I know that. We gotta go in room 12. Crap. Nope, we gotta go to the generator. Here. As you can see, I haven't played this for a while, but I definitely have played it. Do you guys want to look in room 14? I'll let you. There's nothing. Here we go. Ooh, hi. Hey. Door, open them. I remember that one of the last times I played this, the game broke. I want to get all of them. I want to get all of them. You going. I'm getting a bit laggy here, I'm sorry. But we gotta go up some stairs now because we still can't go in room 13. And probably if we could, this game would have been taken down. If you're wondering, no, we can't go up anymore. Oh, they've updated it. These aren't all the exact same ones. Oh my god. gray teddy bears. It's so plain and so boring. Terrible, terrible. Yeah, watch this here. As you can see, there are lights turning on. And no. You. I wanna turn on all the generators. And as you could clearly see, that was a monster universe. They did something to this game. Whee! Usually I'd have to stop the video here. But now I can just keep going. A lot of children. Those are probably the creators. And here's the lobby. Yeah, they did something over here, so we can't really go anywhere. I don't know if I just never noticed it or anything, but yeah. But we gotta go over here. No door there. Oh, a door. Here you go. We go. It's gone. Five, 4, 3, 2. Actually, nah. It would be lovely to see your feedback and your fastest time playing this game. Now, obviously, I wasn't scared of this one for a couple reasons. Because I've played it a lot, but I would love to see you guys' feedback on it. Well, we'll see y'all later.